the present tense negative, and to make things easier we use the same examples as above. Ndiyatya andityi. Nditya isonka, andityi sonka. Ndiyabhala andibhali. Ndibhala ileta andibhali leta. Ndiyafunda andifundi. Ndifunda IsiXhosa andifundi siXhosa. Ndiyaphunga andiphungi. Ndiphunga ikofu andiphungi kofu. Ndiyadlala andidlali. Ndidlala itennis andidlali tennis. When you compare the positive and negative examples, you will notice the following. Firstly, the ya used only in the positive falls away. Ndi, for example, has become a ndi. And this initial a is a feature of all forms of the negative. The verb now takes on the ending I, and this is a characteristic feature of the present tense negative. It tells you that the verb is in that particular form, present tense negative. And finally, the object, very importantly, loses its initial vowel, as we saw with the example of tennis, which became tennis. So the positive and negative subject links for the different noun groups now appear as follows. Ndi, andi. U for you, aku, sometimes also used as awu. U for him or her, aka. Si, asi. Ni, ani. Ba, aba. U, aka. Same as that one higher up. Ba, aba. U for it, umlomo, the mouth, awu. Imilenze, I, ayi. Ilizwi, li, ali. Amayeza, a, aka, or awa. Si, asi. Zi, azi. I, ayi. Zi, azi. Lu, alu. Bu, abu. Ku, aku. All characterized by the negative a at the beginning. Finally, we look at what happens when the object link is included, the object link making the noun specific. So, ndiyayi punga inescafe, andiyi pungi I nescafe. Siyabathanda abamelwane, we like the neighbors. Asibathandi abamelwane, we do not like the neighbors. Izinja ziyawatya amathambo, the dogs are eating the bones. Izinja aziwatyi amathambo, the dogs are not eating the bones. Umntwana uyayithanda imifuno, the child likes the vegetables. Umntwana akayithandi imifuno, the child does not like the vegetables. Abantu bayazithenga impahla eziduru, the people are buying the expensive clothes. Abantu abazithengi impahla eziduru, they are not buying the expensive clothes. So the object link makes the noun a specific one. The neighbors, the bones, the vegetables, the expensive clothes. And in the negative, we now notice that the object retains its initial vowel when the object link is included. Good. That concludes this video as well. Enkosi kakhulu.